A new device is promising to deliver some of the results of liposuction without the actual surgery. Instead of pulling out the fat, the device uses ultrasound to heat and destroy it. The pen marks on Sabrina Oliveira's stomach are framing the area she calls her trouble spot. Not enough trouble to make her consider liposuction, but still not as flat as she'd like.
I run, I exercise, I chase my kids around, I eat right, but I just have this little problem area.
So today she's having a new cosmetic procedure that promises to melt away fat cells without surgery. It uses a handheld device called the VASER shape.
This is a dual-headed ultrasonic externalized treatment that treats the underlying fat.
Plastic surgeon Laurence Berkowitz says the VASER combines two ultrasonic signals that penetrate and combine under the skin to heat the fat cells without burning the skin. While it doesn't remove as much fat as traditional liposuction, he says it is effective for trimming small areas of the body.
The front of the knees, the thighs areas, the lower abdomen that's not quite enough fat to warrant liposuction.
Once the treatment starts, Dr. Berkowitz uses an external heat gauge to monitor the patient's skin temperature to prevent any overheating.
Temperature's now at 38 degrees, so we're not there yet.
He says the goal is to generate just enough heat to liquefy the fat cells so they can be carried out of the body by the patient's liver and lymphatic system. In the final stage of the treatment, the technician uses this device. Dr. Berkowitz says it helps push the fat cells into the bloodstream.
I mean, encouraging it toward the lymphatic drainage system.
These before and after photographs were provided by the company. Although results can vary, Sabrina says she'd be happy with just a modest improvement.
Maybe my pinch test will be a little smaller. I'm just looking for a little more tightness, no pudge over the jeans and things like that.
Now, VASER shape requires 5 separate treatments spread out over several weeks. The total cost runs around $2,500. And remember, the results are much more subtle than traditional liposuction.